All right, so we're going to look at how to download our unit materials. So I'm going to go to the classwork page, and our unit materials are already going to be in the how to and other resource links. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down my topics. These are going to look a little different to you. And then I'm going to go to the how to and other resources link. That topic will still be the same. So now I'm going to scroll down until I see the post that is unit materials. And so the unit materials will have your student access folders. So these are going to be all the PDF versions of our reading assignments, our Google slideshows, any other articles and things that are going to assist you in completing assignments. So it gives you a nice idea of what we can look forward to for the 7 units that we do have. So we get here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the unit I'd like to download. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that first unit, and it brings me to the folder that has the PDF resources, the video clips, those types of materials. You'll also see updates and changes to these files as we progress through the year, and you may even see the unit outline. So if you're really interested in what we're doing, you can take a sneak peek on how everything is supposed to be set up. So once I'm here, I'm going to go into next to where it says Unit 1 Student Access. There's a little drop down arrow. I'm going to click that drop down arrow, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go down to download. This is going to download all of the files as a zip folder, which will be really nice because then they can all be zipped. And once they are downloaded, then I'm going to open up that folder, and then I'm just going to drag that into my actual USB drive or my computer, wherever I want it. If you're downloading this straight onto your personal Chromebook or your personal device, then it's great. It's already in there for you. But if you're not, and you want to transfer it, I already have my USB drive in here. So I'm just now going to take this, click on it, and I just need to drag it right into there, and it'll copy it straight onto my USB drive and let me know that that's happening. So I can do this for any particular files. I can do this for this whole folder, and you can then also do it for your Wilco ACC Google Drive account. Continue watching if you want to see now how to download your files from your personal Wilco ACC account. So I'm just going to go straight up to my little waffle, and then I'm going to click on Drive, and it brings me back to my Drive homepage. So if I've saved anything just within my Wilco ACC Drive, that'll be right here. When we are going to be doing our goal setting, that'll go in here if you make copies of files. And if I want any course material that I've completed, any worksheet assignments, I'm going to click on Classroom, double click there, and that's going to bring me all of my different classrooms that I'm in. You guys will only have one, unless this is your second Wilco class. You might have two. So I'm going to click on my folder, and here you can see here's all of my assignments that have been generated for me throughout Google Classroom. So if I want to download all of these, I would suggest you do this at the end of the year, because then you'll have everything. I can just go ahead in that same process, just click download and then drag. Then to get my regular files, I go back to my drive, and now I'm going to be able to highlight what I'd like, and I can right click and download groups of things and it'll zip it, or I can do one file at a time and just download that. So definitely recommend downloading anything that you'd like to keep, especially that syllabus.